Dude, 3 minutes I ran into Keith, 3 minutes I come out here, and it's already, it was way back there.
That's nuts.
It's moving, I would say, probably about 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, definitely.
Glad the government shut off the water over there.
Yeah, it seems to be helping.
Look, there it is.
See the wind just kicking up. That's pretty creepy looking. Whoa, it's just like rolling in.
Yeah. That building's disappearing. Look,
Yeah.
Hey, look at the building. It's disappearing. Hey, you better get in. You're not gonna be able to see if you have your contacts on. You're gonna get dirt.
You can like see the edge.
Whoa!
I read a book about
Oh, dude, everything's disappearing.
I read a book about I read a book about that is fucked up. That is so fucked up. No! Work harder!
There's like hot wind coming that way and cold wind coming this way, dude. Hey, can you feel it? The cold wind's coming from here and the hot wind's coming from over there. Watch, stand where I'm at.
You're gonna have to stay work quick. Can't wait now anyway.
I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Toto. Yeah. Oh, dude, come here, look. Look this way. Can't even see the end of our building. From where? From right here? Down there. They got the door open down there. All right, you're out. See you, Keith.